Some RVs come equipped with an in-command control panel mounted on the interior panel of the unit. This system acts as the central hub of operations and allows you to control and monitor many of the systems in your RV. The control panel eliminates the rocker-style buttons and switches and replaces them with one central touchscreen control panel, allowing you to make commands such as extend your awning and slides or monitor your unit's water tanks. The in-command control panel now has an app that allows you to control the panel remotely using a smartphone or tablet. You'll be able to turn on and off your water pump and heater and choose from electrical or propane fuel sources. You'll also be able to turn on and off your interior, exterior, awning, or safety lights, and extend or retract the unit's awning, slide-outs, and front jacks. You'll also be able to monitor the battery level and holding tanks, prime, start, and stop your onboard generator, and monitor the fuel level, voltage, and other diagnostic levels, such as oil for your generator. A travel lock has also been installed which prevents motorized components, such as slide-outs and awning, from accidentally engaging while driving. We hope that you've learned about the benefits of the in-command control panel. If you need further assistance, our technicians are happy to answer your questions and assist you in maintaining your home away from home.